हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देख रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड 8 का इंग्लिश बाल भारती 4.5 अ बैटल टू वेफल वार्मिंग अप क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स।
Question first. Form suitable groups and discuss the following. You have heard or read stories of Akbar and Birbal, Tenali Raman, Mullah Narsuddin. Recollect and write down the names of those stories. Pick out those aspects of a story that you find common in all their stories. The common aspect found in their stories: humor, supernatural events, wisdom, suspense, magic, beauty of nature, wit and play upon words. Question 2. Read the different type of sentence in reported speech and note the differences in the direct and indirect form. डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट सेंटेंस जो दिए हैं इनमें क्या डिफरेंस ऑब्जर्व हुआ आपको क्या डिफरेंस ऑब्जर्व हो गया? तो देखो, द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इन द स्पीच, चेंज ऑफ टेंस, change in the word order in sentence. Okay. Question 3. Use a dictionary and find the differences in the following terms related to drama. A play, a story acted on the stage or on radio or television. On act play, a story acted on stage but it has only one act, it has to be short. Skit, a satirical or witty sketch or parody enacted on the stage. Mime, acting without movement of the body but not using words. Answer. First, a comedy in which honor is
exaggerated.
Opera, a drama in which the words are sung to a musical accompaniment. Tragedy, a play with unhappy event or sad ending. Comedy, a play that makes people laugh. What announcement unearthed the courtiers and pandits? तो ये है आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What suggestion was proposed by the first scholar? Answer. The first scholar proposed that they send for Tenali Raman to find a solution to their predicament. What was the condition put forth by Tenali Raman? Answer. The condition put forward by Tenali Raman was that when Pandit Shahane arrived the next day, everybody had to accept the honor him, Tenali Raman, as the chief Pandit for one day. How did Mantriji introduce Pandit Shahane? Answer. Mantriji introduced Pandit Shahane as the most reverend and honored master of our ancient sculpture and the pride of India. How did Tenali Raman make his entry to Emperor Court? Answer. Tenali Raman made his entry to the Emperor Court in a palanquin with two pandits following him and carrying a hug bundle of silken cloth. What scripture did Tenali Raman wish to debate upon? Answer. Tenali Raman wished to debate on the virtues of the scripture Tila, Kashta, Mahisha, Bandhan. Why was Pandit Shahane defeated? Pandit Shahane was defeated because he had not read the scripture that Tenali Raman had mentioned. What explanation did Tenali Raman give about the name of the strange scripture? तो ये है आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ डिड द एम्परर एंड courtiers react? ये है आन्सर.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.